Guys, today we're gonna make an epic stack of pancakes with protein powder. They're fluffy, delicious, you're gonna love them. Hey, I'm Laura, and on my channel, I've got a lot of simple recipes like this one. If that's your jam, subscribe for more. So first things first, I'm gonna measure my dry ingredients, starting with my flour. I'm gonna add the flour into my bowl. Now, whenever you measure flour for pancakes, it's really important that you fill 1 scoop. I tap it to let it settle, and then pour it into my bowl. I use whey protein powder to make pancakes. All protein tubs give you a little scoop. It's gonna be a little different than what you need. So I fill 1 scoop and then measure out what I need. This is vanilla whey. So whatever flavor protein powder you have, it's gonna be added to your pancake batter. I'm also gonna add some baking powder and then a pinch of salt to bring out the flavors. I'm gonna mix this really well so my protein powder mixes with my flour. Then you can use whatever brand protein that you typically buy. I have tried this recipe using plant protein and the batter turns out thicker. I've got a lot of notes which I'll leave below this video and an entire post on what works best. I'm gonna make a well in the middle of my flour and then add milk, 2 eggs, a little melted butter, and if you love vanilla, add a little. Then grab your fork and first break up the eggs into the batter. And then after that, I go around my bowl and mix from the outside in. Now this pancake batter is on the thicker side. However, it is not dense. Now today I'm gonna cook these up in a griddle. You can also cook them on a non-stick pan and you're gonna cook them over medium heat. Once your griddle or pan is hot, you're going to grease it with butter, spray, or oil. I'm gonna pour about 1/4 cup of pancake batter per pancake. And as you can see, I'm using my scoop to spread the batter on my pan. Now these are gonna cook for 2 minutes on the first side, and when the edges are defined and I start to see those little bubbles forming throughout, I'm gonna take a spatula and flip them over. They'll need to cook about another minute to 2 on the second side. And when they're ready on the second side, grab them from your griddle, build your stack. These are incredible. They're fluffy. Check them out inside. And they have 25 grams of protein per serving. These make the perfect stack for your favorite toppings. And go ahead, live a little, add a little syrup. They're so good. All the measurements you need for this recipe are below this video. See you next time.